Alright, mate. Is that your lunch?
Yeah, I'm on this new diet. What are you having?
Just the usual, probably some eggs, ham, potato waffles, maybe a slice of pizza, steak, cereal for afterwards.
No offence, but how do you eat so much and not get fat?
Well, I guess I eat like I'm fat, but my body's perfectly good at it.
Oh yum yum, come on. Oh yum yum, come on. Oh yum yum, come on. Yum yum. Oh yum yum, come on. Oh yum yum, come on. Oh yum yum, come on, come on, come on. I eat so much but I'm not fat. I like custard creams and there's no way I'm cutting back. An eating machine, scoffing sweets is my pleasure. Chocolate bars are my treasure. Check out my jelly beans. I love cake, I love cheese. I like Dairy Lee. Off the floor watching TV. I'll eat off your face. The addiction of the hunger leaves me wanting more. Got more stomachs than a cow. I eat like I'm fat, but my body's perfectly good at it. Scent in the air, it's beef. I love the smell of it. Exercise may tighten up my thighs, but chips and dips excite me. I eat like I'm tubby, body never gets chubby. A scent in the air, what's that? Mom's cooking curry. Going to the gym may keep you thin, but those chips and dips excite me. Yum yum, come on, come on, come on. A pack of biscuits, come on, come on. A 12-inch pizza, come on, come on. Double cheeseburger, oh come on, oh come on. An ice cream sundae, I stuff my face every day. I eat all the time, I keep a 32-inch waist. Is eating a crime? The addiction of consumption leaves me wanting more. So put it in my mouth, eat like I'm fat, but my body's perfectly good at it. A scent in the air, it's fish, I love the smell of it. Maybe cool to keep your body trim, but chips and dips excite me. Oh yum yum, come on, come on, come on. A box of heroes, come on, come on. A can of Pepsi, come on, come on. A wild mushroom, come on, come on. My best friend's left arm, food, 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 food. I love the feeling snacks bring to me. Crisp really turn me on. A trifle's exactly what I've been yearning for. Give it to me on a spoon. And meet me in the kitchen where my tummy says fill me up. Put pork pies in me, eat like I'm fat. My body's perfectly good at it. A scent in the air, it's beans. I love the feel of them. Diets and plans make you a hunky man, but chips and dips excite me. I eat like a pig, but I don't look like a sumo. I ain't got no belly, no moves, I'm not huge, no. I eat and eat until I can't see my feet, 'cause chips and dips excite me. Yum yum, come on, come on, come on. A loaf of Hovis, come on, come on. A pint of lager, come on, come on. A massive sausage, come on, come on. A tasty goulash, food,